back, everyone. I'm Terry Lively. Well, Happy New Year. I hope your holidays were fun and you had a great time with your family. I thought I would start the new year off with a video today about mixing it up. You know, we always make New Year's resolutions. Sometimes they don't hang around for a long time and we give up too easily. But I thought this year it would be fun to mix it up as far as our techniques go, learn something new, maybe watch some other artists and what they're doing and the results they're getting. So what I did today, I sat down with my Spectrazion and I took a Magnum needle and I did this powder brow. I did this on my real skin, practice skin, and I know I've told you about real skin before. It's like the real thing. It's stretchy and you have to stretch it as you work, but it's the best practice material that I've found out there. Anyway, I did this powder brow using a 1009 curved Magnum and my Spectrazion machine. So we are going to offer a New Year's special for you through my supply site, cosmetictattoosupply.com. We're going to offer you a package of real skin. They come 5 to this package. And we're going to mix it up. We're going to send you a bunch of different needle configurations that you can try out some new techniques. And these are going to be a total of 40 needles. They're cartridge needles, and you'll get 8 different configurations with this special package. This would normally run you $71 for this amount of needles and this package of real skin. It's going to be like a little package set. However, we're offering it for $60 to give you a discount so that you can have some fun and try out some new things. Now, the needles we're going to be including are standard cartridge needles. And these are the types of needles that fit machines like your Spectrazion, your Bishop rotaries, your Bellar machines, your Cheyenne pen. Standard cartridge needles that would normally fit this type of equipment. So I told you I sat down and did this eyebrow today with a 1009 curved mag. And I shot some video footage that I'm going to let you watch for a few minutes, and so you can see kind of the technique I was doing. So if you end up getting the package, I hope you enjoy it. Let me know in the comments below what you think, if you've figured out some new styles of doing eyebrows that you hadn't thought about doing before, and just let me know. Okay, once again, Happy New Year, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.